guys, and welcome back to another math video. So in this video, we're gonna be doing a kind of a tricky question. I mean, like, after you're done doing this question, it will seem easy. These main questions will mainly pop up in the examinations or in the section C in those examinations. And for those people who have not seen my series before, we mainly find all of the tricky questions, right? Then we'll go through and all of those like very tricky questions which people might get confused, So we'll try to teach, we'll write it down on our computer, then we'll teach you guys how to do the question. And yeah, if you want more math videos, you can either go check out my channel or you can wait for upcoming math videos. But let's get right into the question. Now I am gonna read the question. A pot costs $20 less than a kettle. The total cost of 3 such kettles and 1 such pot is $600. Find the cost of each kettle. Since they said a pot costs $20 less than a kettle, this is how you draw your first model. This is not the only model. You need to draw another model later. But first of all, you need to draw this model right here. Kettle and pot. Since they say a pot costs $20 less than a kettle, so you draw the kettle more and the pot less and put the difference as $20. Now over here, because they said the total cost of 3 such kettles and 1 such pot is $600, right? So what you do is you take 3 kettles and 1 pot and you put them in one model using a part-whole model. Right over here, guys. As you guys can see over here, right, it says kettle, 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 and pot, right? And then $600. Now, this is what you have to do after you have drawn this model. So, after you've done it, right, because as you guys know, a pot costs $20 less than a kettle, right? So, right, you have to add you have to put in 320. Why? It's because there are 3 kettles, right? If you want everything to be like 1 pot, right, you need to minus 60 because quick math, 20 times 3 is 60. So you put in the 20. Okay. So right now, right, I'd rather you guys put the 20 at the back so you won't confuse yourselves, because if you're in the middle of calculating, then you might think it's wrong because of the way you put the 20. So in order to not confuse yourself, you should put the 20 at the back. Okay. And also, right, if you want to find, so now you have to minus these 60. Because, right, if you don't minus the 60, right, it's still gonna be the same. 3 such kettles and 1 such pot. It'll still be $600. So, right, in order to find 4 pots, you have to minus 60. And why 4 pots? It's because, right, because you're minusing the 60, right? So you're getting 3 more pots. But then you still have 1 additional pot from the 1 such pot, as you guys can see. You guys know that if you take 600 minus 60, you get 540. So 4 pots cost $540. Therefore, in order to find 1 pot, it costs 540 divided by 4, which you get 135. Okay. So, right, in order to find the kettle, you take 135 plus 20, then you get 155. So 155 will be equal to 1 kettle. This is how you do this question.